I'm gonna do this quick because I have this thing here. It's on the way, and oh, oh,
Went deep, huh?
that is deep. I can't even get this out. Oh, now that's the problem. Hold this one hand.
Yeah.
Thank you. If I unscrew this, and since that is in there, I twist it to the left. We still have 80 pounds, 90 pounds of PSI pressure, so we're not going to lose it right away. Come on, babe, come on. Okay, it's working. So we're doing unclockwise. We're rotating. You got that? Give it to me. Are you strong?
Maybe a little.
No. Bones. See that? Broke off. That much, right?
Yeah, probably about that.
What are we doing next? Honey.
It's right there, I think.
Okay, let me get my other tool. I can close that stuff. Okay, we got it again. This is the last chance we're going to get it right. But this time we have this.
That one, yeah.
All right, here it comes. Still got a lot of air in it. This one broke too. Is it going in? Yeah, it is. It's going in, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, definitely going in.
You have a razor?
I got a pocket knife.
I do too.
Yeah, it's in the truck.
Is it sharp?
Kinda. It might cut it.
All right, I know what you guys are thinking. I'm using force against the tire, but not all the way, just a slight, so I'm able to cut this.
Right.
Should we remove this too, a little bit? I mean, situations like this, once again, it is you're on your own. If you're not prepared over the road, things like this will become very costly. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing here. Let me go ahead and pour this right over. And let's see if we got anything leaking. Any bubbles?
No.
Do you see it? You're my witness, right? Well, I have a good friend of mine here, actually. I met him over the road, and he's really assisting me with the camera. Although he likes to be private, he doesn't want to be seen in YouTube. But I want to say thank you. And not a lot of guys out here.
We're good.
We're good.
No, nothing.
Yep, we don't have any bubbles. We saved the day. I want to say thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, once again, this is a great lesson for all the new truckers, new students, and also some of the professionals out there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, share, and like. Alright, this is the tire, and I don't see the plug. It's got to be here somewhere. So what do you think, guys? Oh yeah, it's holding. Alright. It's all about surviving over the road. You think life is easy, but it's not. But they're doing all this. It's all about being ready and prepared for it. Alright guys, until then, you all have a great one. Happy New Year.